The overall goal of this procedure is to evaluate water acetonitrile 50-50 phase behavior as a function of CO2 pressure. This is accomplished by first injecting the water acetonitrile sample into the Sapphire cell. The second step is to pressurize with carbon dioxide. Next is measuring the volume of each of the phases as a function of CO2 pressure. The final step is to depressurize. Ultimately, a cathetometer is used for volume measurement.
Compared to sampling methods, this visual Sapphire cell system obtains the composition of each phase at pressure without disturbing the system, and therefore the equilibrium. Additionally, this apparatus allows visual insights into the behavior of the system.
The Sapphire cell is a high-pressure apparatus that requires safe handling. For periodic pressure testing, fill the operating side with water to initiate a pressure cycle. Attach the water-filled high-pressure syringe pump to the sample inlet connection and fill the cell completely. Close the sample inlet valve. Then run the syringe pump so that a few drops of water leave the high-pressure tubing. Next, attach the tubing to the Sapphire cell fitting at the bottom of the Sapphire cell. Fill the bottom cell with water to pressurize and monitor the pressure for any possible pressure drop. Gradually increase the pressure to 0.1 megapascals over the setting of the pressure relief valve, collecting the water that is released from the pressure relief valve in a small container. Now reduce the pressure to atmospheric.